Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. A little dark out. It is 20 till 7 and I'm sitting here in my parking lot where I work. I want to discuss the fuel mileage that my truck is getting. Now I'm pointing downhill, so my gauge makes it a little bit going down. So I want to give you an update. Now these computers, they have all these sensors and they see what the fuel air ratio is. Now it being about, I think it's 41 degrees out, and when I left work it was around 36, or I left home, it was about 36 degrees. So that automatically makes it want to run a little richer. Now, at a quarter tank, I drove 154 miles. It's never done that. That's normally about 90. So it's like 60 miles past what it normally get. So I'm going to show you the fuel gauge. I'm going to show you, of course, I got another sensor on. So let me show you what's going on here. Okay. When I pulled in the parking lot, it was the second tick away from the half. Now, my truck is pointing downhill, so this is what I got. Now, you see, I got 192 miles. Now, as far as temperature, it's running about normal. Oil pressure, about normal for about this time. Let me show you how many miles my truck has. See, it's got 214, 333, or 330, yeah. So, the computer does figure it out. And it will run rich. So, if you replaced the air pump on your truck or your car, then you'll say, wow, I'm getting really great gas mileage. That's until the computer figures it out. I mean, it is a nice looking truck, and I do like the thing. It's just with that high mileage, I'm a little nervous. I mean, I have a few dents, especially where I hit a deer in the front. But all in all, I mean, it's not a bad looking truck. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time here in Lynn's Homestead. You have an awesome day, and God bless.